everyone, my name is Max, I'm the CEO of docu, and in the next 10 minutes I want to show you how to start with docu in 3 easy steps. First of all, we want to show you how to create a new project and upload plans. Secondly, how to create the so-called pins, those are these little markers on the plan. And thirdly, how to export a project and export a report and share this report. Yeah, let's dive into it. So the first thing you see, when you create a new account here in docu, I created the Bob the Builder account. The first thing you see is in the web app is a quite empty screen. So let's create a project. It's fairly simple. There's a button here now. It says new project. So you click here. You say my first project, for example, and then you just say create. Now you jump right into the project view. So you see there are multiple options here now in the menu field. You can now import plans, as it says here. Same, very simple, you just hit the import plans button. You can either drag and drop plans here, so we support PDF, JPEG, PNG or WebP, or you can just click here on add file, which I will do, and select my plans. I have a folder here, just a second. You can either select one plan or like multiple at once. I will do just 2 now. Select them. In the very beginning you will see a little preview of the PDF files so that you can either rotate them. If they're not perfectly rotated, you can change the title here or the version number. The version number always starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 automatically by the system, or you can just override it and write, for example, A here. And once you're happy with your title and your version number and the rotation, you can just hit upload here on the bottom right. The plans are now uploaded. It's more like converted because we have to change them from the PDF or JPEG format to another format so they can better be opened on the mobile apps. And you don't have to watch this procedure. You can just minimize it here and wait until the plans appear here in the plan list view in this plan section. The first plan is already here, so it doesn't really take very long. Yeah, second one done. So first step of our little introduction video is already done. We created a project and we uploaded plans. When you want to open a plan, just click on the plan and then you can see it here. Let's move on to the second step. You want to create a pin. So a pin in docu can be created here on the top. When you click on new pin and then the pin is created, you can move the pin, you can zoom in, for example, on this balcony here. And once you're happy with the location, you can just confirm here. On the mobile apps, a pin is created by long pressing on the plan. Just works a little bit different, yeah? Just as information. Once you're happy, you confirm. And the first thing the pin asks you is, hey, please give me a title, write something, what's going on here. The recent titles are also shown here. So if there are some titles that are repeating itself, you can just click here and then you don't have to write anything anymore. So I think this title suits the current pin very well. Let's hit save. So pin is created. The next thing you might want to do is change the category. So we have in docu categories for pins. So each pin has always one category associated with it. The categories can be changed here. The default categories are general, defect, and inspection. I will switch now to defect. Also the color now changes. So we have 15 different colors you can choose from, and you can create as many categories you like and change them. I'll show this later to you. Yeah, so pin is created with a title, a category, and maybe the last most important thing is to add some photos. Select some images here and let's go there. Some prepared. So again, maybe you can add multiple. I will just add one picture now, just to keep it simple, and save it to my pin. Yeah, and then we're more or less done. We created a pin, we uploaded the photo, we gave it a title, etc. The next and last part is part 3, how to create a report For this, I like to go to the pin list view. So you will find it here in the menu. Here you will find all the pins that exist within this project. And the nice thing is you have a filter. So you can, for example, say, hey, I want to see all pins from the category defect. Apply. You can also obviously say, and only the pins with the status open, etc. or created by. So there's a huge list of items to choose from. Since this project is very empty at the moment, we just have one pin. The result is also quite simple. However, once you filtered, you can select here with this toggle here, you can check here and you can select all pins, and then you go to this edit button and say add pins to report. You can give the report a title, my first report. Sorry. And you can select a template. So let's say defect report. Yeah. These are the standard report templates. We also have a customize function where you can fully create your own report templates in Word and Excel. So it offers more or less an unlimited amount of possibilities. It's just your creativity that needs to flourish here to create new different report templates. So these are the standard report templates. I press now create. Again, the report is created in the background. You don't have to wait here. You just say view later. And here in the report section of the project, you will find always all reports and see the status of your current report. This particular report, I guess, won't take very long because, 100% now. It is just one pin and one image. But I just want to show you how it basically works. Once the report is created, you can click on it and then it opens a preview. You can see this is like the title page where you have like docu logos, but this can all be changed, as I said, in the customization feature. There's a table of content always. We just have one pin, and then when you scroll down, here's all the information to the pin. There's a small snippet of the plan itself and where the pin is located. There, the title, and all the images are also attached here. There's just one at the moment. So then you can do two more things here. You can either download the report, either in Word as the template is also in Word, or in right away PDF format. And you can also share the report. So this is a very small report, but if you have more pins, more pictures, then these files tend to get larger. So you can just click here and share, copy the link, or just hit share, and automatically your email program will open with an email and the link already copied in. So with the link, you can send the link to anyone you want to, and he can then download the report. Yeah, so this was more or less it. This is the 3 steps: create a project, upload a plan, create some pins, and then create a report out of these pins. I have 4 more tips for you left that I want to give you for the beginning. First of all, change the category. We already spoke about it. If you go back to the plan list view, then you will find here the project settings, and here there is the category like pin categories. Sorry, the option. And here you have the standard categories. So you can rename them to info. You can change the color. These are all the colors we have, or you can just create new categories and then press save at the end. Yeah, so this is the categories. One more info, second tip. A lot of people ask in the beginning if they can delete pins. For example, this first pin we now created, it's just a test pin, can I delete it? In DocuTools, there's no option of deleting anything, neither pins, photos, projects, etc. But you can always deactivate everything. So you can, for example, here this pin, you can set the status to inactive, and then it will be gone on the plan. You won't see it anymore. However, you can always get it back from the archive, let's say. Yeah. So with this, we ensure that no data is lost. That's the main thing. But you can always deactivate. Yeah, third tip, please go to the app stores, search docu tools and download the mobile apps. You can log in with the same user, email and password, and then you have your mobile app for on-site use, and there the big main feature of these mobile apps is the offline functionality. So you can download the entire project, all the plans, photos, pins, etc., work fully offline. So you do your site inspection offline, and then once you're back at the office or wherever you have internet, you can then upload the data, and then you can, for example, see it again here in this in the DocuTools web app, and go from there. Yeah, and the last tip is we have a service team from Monday to Friday always available. So here on the top right corner, you have the question mark support. You can either go here in the help center and check out all the, if you want to search for some features, how they work, you can always find it here, or you can just press need support here. Then our support center opens. You can again here go to the help center, new section, but you can also just click here, send us a message, and then ask whatever you need, wherever we can help you with. So please just feel free and write us there. From Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, we are available directly, our support team, and in the remaining hours there's always our chatbot available, who has also all the necessary informations that you need. And yeah, with this we're done with the first almost 10 minutes video about the start of DocuTools. I hope you have a successful test phase, and see you the next time. Ciao, bye bye.